Right. Okay. Good boy. Do you want to have your pellet? Oh, good boy. Nice. And the shoes are shoe they're great, £115.99. I love the shiny pointy toes sticking out from the yeah, it looks great. Thank you so much, my lovelies. We're moving on to the third and final round. So come down to the technically 2 ones again. Come on out, my darlings, we've got this fabulous dress which I think would be perfect for New Year's Eve. This is a long coffee. You're enjoying it, aren't you? One of these full looks comes in yeah. The other one retails at $619. So belly cap for the last time in 2025. I'm gonna find the head. This is a big bit. Well done. The shoe looks great, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go big. Okay. Now the viewers at home were voting on the shoes. I'll just give you a little flash of the shoes, my lovelies. So what I'm going on the dress. Okay. Well, yeah, but the whole okay. So the viewers are voting on the shoes. What did they say? Good boy. Okay. They think this is high street. Okay. You really are enjoying it, aren't you? So Kat, you're going to have knowledge with me. Come on, take it. Okay. Nice. So it's one of it's what actually no, it's 2 ones left. Okay. Then you're waiting B. Viewers at home have agreed with drop some. Okay. 61%. Okay. Pick it up. Okay, so for the final time, I can reveal. There you go. Last piece. Enjoyed that, haven't you? Nice. Enjoyed that. Oops. Good boy. Good boy. You're trying to pull me all the ring off, weren't you? Yes, you were. You're trying to pull that off. That put it on you. Tell us how much sleep you've had. See that? See that? Huh? No, see. You're so clever, Luna. Yeah, you're so clever.